Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitle or caption automatically to your video in Clipchamp. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Microsoft Clipchamp and I'm going to add the video to the track or the timeline, and I'm going to cut the video to make the process faster. Okay, and if you want to add automatic subtitle or automatic caption, you can go to the captions menu right here and you have to click on transcript media. Okay, and here you can select which language is used throughout your project. And since my video is using English, so I'm just going to select English. Then we can click on transcript media. Okay, and just hold on until the process completed. Have to wait until the caption has been generated, and it depends on the video duration. Okay, and now the caption or the subtitle has been added to my video and I'm going to check it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you. Okay. As you can see, the caption has been added to my video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add automatic subtitle or caption to our video in Clipchamp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.